You already know by the title what this entire video is about, because itne sare log, there are so many books on the internet and you get the same, advice from everyone that whether you should read it or not. Atomic Habits is it, Dopamine Detox, or Ikigai, or whatever it is. So I'm here to tell you that you don't have to read them all. I have read them and I'll tell you if they're actually worth your time or not. We're going to talk about the most popular self-help book on the internet, and that is Atomic Habits by James Clear. Now this book, if you search on internet, on YouTube, on Insta, wherever you do, the top self-help book that will actually help you, this will come up. And I'm here to tell you that this is worth it. This is actually worth it if you're someone who is actually trying to get into a routine, learn about habits, you want to see कि सही में routine लाने से कुछ होता भी है life में या नहीं, and how to do it. The point is how to do it. Then this book is going to help you. It's a very good beginner self-help book, but I will always suggest this book to someone who wants to fix their life, because this actually help you clear your mind, how different habits, different routines, and अगर उसको consistently किया जाए तो आपको कैसे मिल सकता है. And this will help you build a system, and that is what I think is the most important. Whether you want to build a business, you want to build a habit, you want to build a routine, you want to build a content creation thing, on my list is 8 Rules of Love by Jay Shetty. Now you might have seen Jay Shetty all over the internet, his podcast, his shorts, his reels. Now I would not suggest this book to everyone. First of all, it is a bit slow book. But if you're someone who wants to learn more about relationships, you want to learn more about how you are actually giving yourself, or how you are going to accept the other person, or even अगर आपको ये समझना है कि okay, how am I going to navigate this whole thing called love, then I think you should pick this book up. Because again, if you're someone who wants to just read a self-help book for the sake of it, and you want to learn something which is not related to this topic but just in general, I won't suggest you this book. This is very specific, highly specific to just this topic, and there are 8 rules. This is a really good book, but again, very highly specific. So if you're someone who wants to learn more about relationships, then you should pick this up. Next on my list is going to be Ikigai, the Japanese book which you have seen all over internet. No, a plain no. Because first of all, it is very slow paced, like very slow paced. You can just read the summary and be done with it, because उसमें इतना कुछ है that will not resonate with you as such. It did not resonate with me. Yeah, some points did, but not the entire book, and I would not give a reread to it. I have already read it twice trying to understand, but don't waste your time. On my list is Psychology of Money. I still have this book on my Audible, and I have heard this a couple of times. I will say a yes, you should invest your time into this, because this is a book that will help you understand money, and not just how to invest or how to learn about money, but it will also tell you the way you look at money, if that makes sense. Because everyone looks at money very differently. A millionaire, a middle class person, or someone who's trying to make money will look at money differently, and how to understand the psychology behind it, this is going to help you. And at the end, obviously giving you advice and rules on how to better capture and navigate your money. So I think this is worth your time. Go, if you want to buy this book, you can buy this book, or you can just read it online or on Audible. This yellow book that you might have seen, it's a very short book, Dopamine Detox. I read it in 2025 starting May, and I just heard it on Audible, and I have been obsessed with this book. First of all, because ये बहुत छोटी है. Second of all, we are all surrounded. Oh, मेरा bookmark जो गुम गया था. Second of all, it's about, we all consume content. We all have habits. We all have that hit of dopamine that we need every day. But how to actually get out of that loop and focus on the healthy dopamine that is good for your brain is this book. Last but never the least is going to be this book. Now, I'll say you can skip it. It's not a very wow, मतलब बहुत लोगों को पसंद भी आई है, but I'll just say you can actually skip it. There's no necessity to read it on your self-love journey or self-help journey, या जो भी है आपकी books का. It's not that worthy. There are better books that are written. This is a good book. I'm not going to deny it. It's a good book, but it's not the best. There are hundreds of better books that are in the market which are better than this one. And if you want me to give you suggestions of those books, just look at my shorts. I keep recommending books over there, because यहाँ पर you don't listen to this. So I'm going to end it here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm still getting better at ending my videos, if you know me.